thinking of buying an electric car? You're not the only one, as more and more buyers are wondering about when to switch from petrol or diesel to a battery-powered model. You will find out top 12 electric cars in this video. Number 1. Volkswagen ID.3. The ID.3 hasn't quite been the roaring success Volkswagen might have been hoping for, but that's perhaps as a result of early examples being dogged by infotainment glitches, questionable ergonomics, and a low-rent interior. But a recent facelift has solved one of those issues with new, higher-quality plastics on board and almost solved another, with various major revisions to the touchscreen bringing a slicker operating experience. So while the ID still isn't perfect, it's now much better, and let's not lose sight of the fact that this is a fine driving, comfortable and roomy electric car. Number 2. Porsche Taycan. It's arguably the best driving electric car on sale today, but for a while the Taycan's high price made it hard to justify. With the addition of the entry-level version, however, it became a bit more reasonable, while the Cross and Sport Turismo estates bring added comfort and versatility. Yes, it's still costly to buy and reasonably pricey to run too, but if you're shopping at the top end of the electric car market, the Taycan is hard to resist. Number 3. MG4. MG is well and truly stealing Volkswagen's lunch at the moment. The latter's ID.3 has been reduced to a lineup of only 2 very expensive models, and MG has happily swooped in to fill the gap vacated by the now absent affordable versions. But the 4 isn't simply cheap thanks to sharp handling, generous levels of equipment, and plenty of space. It's good value too. What's more, the addition of the blistering X-Power model rounding out the top of the range means there's even a hot hatch version, for those who might fancy such a thing. Number 4. Hyundai iONIQ 5. Not since the Audi TT went on sale has a car looked more as though it's just driven straight off a concept car pedestal on a motor show stand. And inside, the iONIQ 5 is even more of a revelation, with a bright, airy interior replete with high-tech touches, like the screens that appear to loom out of a translucent sheet of frosted glass. It's practical, too, with sliding, reclining, and folding rear seats and a good-sized boot. Top-spec Ultimate versions are too firm, but the mid-range Premium, with its smaller wheels, is much better. Number 5. Jeep Avenger. If you're a little surprised that a model from Jeep, whose underpinnings are shared with a Fiat, won the European Car of the Year, you weren't the only one. But the Avenger is the best thing to come out of Jeep in decades, a real feel-good car replete with touches that'll make you smile. It isn't all style and no substance. Mind you, it drives remarkably well, with neat handling and a comfortable ride, and offers a decent amount of space and a very usable range. The high-ish price is its only significant failing. Number 6. Tesla Model 3. Switch this option for the Model Y. Should you need something bigger, the 2 cars are pretty similar beneath the skin. But either way, it should come as no surprise that these Teslas have won over thousands of buyers across the world. They're smart, stylish, fast, and good to drive. Throw in the minimalist interior, easy access to Tesla's supercharger network, the whopping range and super saloon performance, and the Model 3 is very tempting, especially since PS 5,000 or so was slashed off the price at the start of the year. Number 7. BMW i4. See past the i4's love it or loathe it peak grille and you'll find a 4-door coupe of prodigious talent. It's a joy to drive, with fluent chassis feedback and brilliant steering, and it rides with the sort of quality we've come to expect from BMW and that many electric cars struggle to match. The long, low coupe-style form factor means it's efficient too, while the hatchback boot opening makes it more versatile than a Tesla Model 3. The big battery, meanwhile, means there's a long and very usable range. Number 8. Hyundai iONIQ 6. You'll either love or loathe the Ioniq 6's styling, but one thing it could never be called is bland. What marks this slick streamliner saloon out, though, is not its looks quite as much as its brilliant driving experience. Pairing excellent grip and balance with intuitive steering and a supple ride, this is a car that's a real joy to drive. It's cheap to run, too, that mirror-smooth exterior allowing the Ioniq 6 to slip through the air and return impressive efficiency figures. Number 9. Kia EV6. We weren't too sure about the EV6 on first acquaintance with the 4-wheel drive version, but the rear drive model is miles better, lighter, more wieldy, and smoother riding. That makes the EV6 a seriously capable bit of kit available exclusively with just one chunky battery pack that gives it a brilliant range, beautifully finished inside, and surprisingly spacious given its eye-catching coupe-esque styling. Throw in Kia's excellent 7-year warranty, and you have a cracking electric car that we still think is one of the best. Number 10. Polestar 2. Polestar's 2 is soon to be joined in the range by the larger 3, and to keep it fresh, it's just been on the receiving end of a range of updates that include greater efficiency, a longer range, and interestingly, a switch to rear-wheel drive. This round of tweaks has only strengthened our enthusiasm for this excellent EV, which is now a brilliant all-rounder, pairing endlessly crisp and confidence-inspiring handling with clever damping and an interior that makes you smile every time you climb into it. For the price, it's impossible to beat. Number 11, Volkswagen ID Aero. This ranking continues with a new electric sedan offered by the German brand to follow the ID range. Aero, also known as the ID.7, the automaker's first electric sedan, was unveiled at the end of June 2022. 2-meter-long ID Aero is expected to make its European debut in the second half of 2023. With the appearance of a Tesla Model 3, this future electric sedan is sure to rival Elon Musk's Polestar 2. Number 12, Opel Astra E. As the brand looks to electrify its electric vehicles by 2028, Opel will introduce the 6th generation of the 100% electric Opel Astra in 2023, complementing the two plug-in hybrid PHEV versions already available in 180 HP and 225 HP for the moment. The automaker has given no indication of the technical characteristics of this future electric car. What we do know is that it is based on the EMP2 platform. Discover the wealth of insights by subscribing for a steady stream of thought-provoking content. If you enjoyed it, a thumbs up would mean a lot, and feel free to share it with others who might find it valuable. Your support is truly vital, empowering us to keep bringing you informative and engaging content. We'd love to have you in our community. Stay tuned for exciting updates.